Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you LVM Aura Perfume review. So you might be hearing or seeing LVM Aura in your browsing history or in your phone or in your PC here, or maybe hearing about it. Well, how do you exactly use it and what is it? So LVM Aura is a fragrance marketed as a pheromone-inspired perfume that's designed to enhance confidence and personal presence through its scent. Now, according to the official website here, the product combines a traditional fragrance with what the company calls its max attraction formula, which is promoted as an attraction-enhancing blend, and the perfume is intended for everyday wear, particularly during social events, dates, and special occasions. Now, these are claims in the website. Now, the website highlights several features, including 8% concentration of its proprietary attraction blend and a fragrance that adapts to the wearer's body chemistry, and a scent that the company says can last up to 18 hours. Now, the product is available in multiple bottle sizes, with the standard version advertising approximately 250 sprays, while the larger bottles here provide more application at the time of writing here or at the moment. So if you try visiting the official store here, it lists the standard bottle here at around 49 or $39.99 if you're going to buy the final sale, or the standard one, which is $49.99 during the promotional sale. Now, this is reduced from the original $99.99, although pricing may vary depending on region and current offers. Now, using LVMR is quite simple. You just need to spray the fragrance onto clean, dry skin, focusing on pulse points such as the wrist, neck, and behind the ears, and the manufacturer recommends applying 1 to 3 sprays before heading out, allowing the fragrance to interact naturally with your skin since it's designed as a regular perfume. It can be reapplied later in the day if you want to refresh the scent. Now, the official website here explains that the fragrance is intended to work with your natural body chemistry, creating a scent profile that develops over time. It also advertises a 60-day money-back guarantee, free shipping during promotional periods, and direct purchasing through the company's online store. So, if you do have any questions regarding your product, you could go to the official website here and go to the contact us page here and reach out to them via email. Now, then again, if you are or if you do intend on buying this product, it is best to do your own research by reading comments or reviews on different threads or forums if you really if you really want to buy the product, just to make sure that you are getting your money's worth. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.